Hey guys, today I am going to go through quickly of the differences in quality and value of hiring a professional graphic designer makes. Specifically when creating or updating your brand logo. First off, there are many designers at various levels and price points. One of the key factors you need to know to avoid losing time and money, not to mention many headaches. And that is the file format you need. File format is typically the size and functionality of the file. For example, if you need for the web only, a JPEG or PNG file would be appropriate. However, if you are looking to print your logo, a PDF, AI or PNG may be needed. The dimensions and resolution also play a role. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how a graphic artist would take a low-resolution JPEG and convert it into a vector file, which would be similar to a master file for the artist. This offers the higher quality and resolution. This low-quality JPEG file has been created on Canva for web use, which was acceptable. However, even with the premium account, you are limited in editing and the print quality. More so when the file is sent to another designer, who will need to match the fonts or recreate artwork in Illustrator. You can see when we zoom in, that it is pixelated and not sharp. This could not be used for merchandise printing or other print items. What a professional and experienced graphic designer will do is create a vector file. Something that can be scaled to any size and will not lose sharpness or detail or shape if done properly. However, the speed and quality at which the vector file appears greatly depends on the artist's ability and attention to detail. Also, their time available to create the vector and the complexity of the design. As we go through the video, this artist was able to find the font used and create the text fairly quickly and easily. But this is not always the case. A similar font may be used or, if desired, recreated altogether. These are factors to consider when communicating your needs with your designer and also setting your expectations. Finally, you can see the results are a drastic difference in terms of quality, but almost identical in design. While this is not always the case, it does demonstrate the difference an experienced designer makes. In summary, it also reflects pricing. Depending on complexity, file format, and usage needed, your price quote may vary greatly from end cost. Discussing your expectations, budget and end needs are key to clean communication and appropriate cost. I hope that helps you in your business in finding the right solution for you. We offer logo designs, revisions and all your design solutions. Please contact us for a free 15-minute consultation. Thank you for watching and have a great day.